Tell me anyone what is Snowflake high level, what exactly it means. Tell me. Tell me anyone what is Snowflake? It's a cloud-based data warehouse. Mainly for what? Mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. You can say it's an analytical solution. Okay, solution. Tell me data warehouse for OLTP or OLAP. Anyone? Mr. Mishra. OLAP. So data warehouse is for OLAP. That is current data plus historical data. Okay, what about database? Database is for OLTP. That is for day-to-day transactions. Okay, these are the basic things you should have a little bit idea. Okay, so Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for analytical solution. Okay. Now tell me in a similar fashion, what is SaaS here? Snowflake is a SaaS model. What exactly is SaaS? What it means? Software as a software as a service. No need to install any software or any hardware. You'll see what exactly means. Okay, coming. Okay, see, remember Snowflake is a SaaS model, so no need to install any software or any hardware. Okay, we can see. Now tell me, Snowflake is mainly for what? Mainly for data migration project. 1 second, people are joining. Now tell me, what exactly data migration? Tell me if you know the answer, try to say data migration project. What exactly it will do? What exactly it will do in the data migration project?
Light Banji.
1 second, tell me. Anyone tell me what exactly data migration project means? I have mute yourself. Tell me anybody.
Migrating data from multiple sources to one place.
Okay, migrating the data source from different sources to where? Different sources to Snowflake. Okay, so Snowflake. That's to Snowflake. Okay, so this is fine. Now, question is that what? Tell me why companies wants to move their data to Snowflake. Tell me what is the reason? Already data is working fine. Why the companies wants to move? What is the reason? Main motto of every company is why? What is the reason? Tell me. What is the reason? Anyone?
There could be several reasons.
Okay.
One is pay as you go,
Okay.
which is cost effective.
Okay.
And second, there is no maintenance of software or installation or ongoing update for the software.
You can say simply say infrastructure. Okay, infrastructure. Okay, yes, go ahead.
And you pay for only what you use.
Okay, that is called pay as you go. This is
And third would be scalability.
Okay.
You could increase the data warehouse as per the requirement.
Up and down. Okay.
And yes. Yeah, that's what I can think about.
Okay. So simply you can select pay as you go is nothing but say we can say cost cutting purpose. We can say cost cutting. Okay. And maintenance because it's a SaaS model. Okay, so SaaS in the sense like what? No need to do all this maintenance, the patches. It will be managed with a Snowflake only. Scalability we can able easily and ease of maintenance. And one more thing is that huge volumes. Okay, huge volumes it can able to accommodate. Okay, the Snowflake can able to accommodate, and the performance also improved. Okay, when you go for to Snowflake, you see. So main purpose is that what cost cutting purpose, the SaaS model, the scalability, ease of maintenance, huge. Because of all these reasons, their company's data will be there in some database or data source. They want to move to Snowflake. Tell me what are the data sources will be available? Anyone, any idea in the market or the company's data will be there where? It can be Oracle database. Okay, then SQL Server, DB2, then MySQL, PostgreSQL, then Teradata, Redshift. Okay, remember if you see out of this, any of this we should put in a resume, or if you go to any project, we work for any of the database from Oracle to Snowflake, from SQL Server to Snowflake, or SAP HANA to Snowflake. So these are the things we are trying to go. Okay, SAP HANA to Snowflake. Okay, got the point. So this is the thing. Now tell me, so this is fine. We are saying like data migration. What exactly we are trying to migrate? Tell me what we are trying to migrate. So you're saying like data we are trying to migrate. So what exactly, which type of data we're trying to migrate? Anyone? Any idea? So it's saying like data migration is like, so
Flat
what
files
okay, so flat files. We're
like
saying like this is data, no?
CSV
So database, how data will be stored?
Tables.
Tables, no? So she
tables.
said, so tables. Okay, see, remember in real time, no, the so project flow will be like, okay, see, they'll have phases will be there. So phase one, okay, phase two, phase three. There will be multiple phases, mostly like the companies is following. So phase one, phase two, and phase three. In the first phase, what we are trying now? So remember, our data will be stored mostly in tables. So then, so views, then the logic, the procedures, and the functions. Okay, see. So first, our assume like Oracle is my database. In the Oracle database, our data will be stored in so tables, columns, and rows. So in the first phase, we are trying to migrate the tables. In the second phase, we are trying to migrate the views. In the third phase, what we're trying to migrate? The functions, the logic, the functions and the procedures related to this particular tables. One more time. So we are saying like data migration. So we are moving the data from Oracle database to Snowflake. So see the same thing. Suppose like if I go here, what happened? Our data will be in tables. Okay, these tables are our data will be in so views. So this way tables are views. We should migrate to Snowflake because we're saying like so. It's mainly Snowflake is for mainly for analytical solution. Got the point. So we should bring all this data to one place so that I can able to the analysis. Okay, see in the first phase we are trying to migrate the tables. In the second phase, what we are trying to migrate? Tell me. Migrate the views. In the third phase, we're trying to migrate the post functions and the procedures. Okay. Now tell me how long the project will be there, the migration project. Anyone, any idea? Anyone? Now tell me.
2 years.
2 to 3
Okay, so
years.
okay, so depends on the project like volumes. Okay, 1 to 3 years we can put. So 1 to 3. 1 second. Okay, 1 to 3 years. Okay. Now it's saying like, okay, so in real time we'll have what? Okay, so these are important. How the work will come to us. Now tell me how the work will come to us. Now tell me how the work will come to us. Tell me how the work will through what?
Ticketing systems.
So ticketing systems. Okay, see, so through the Jira ticketing tool. Okay, so these are the important ticketing tool. Okay, so ticketing. And daily, what type of calls will be there? Calls?
Scrum call.
Scrum call. Okay, we can say Scrum call or stand-up call. Okay, got the point. In a similar fashion, Scrum call. What exactly will do in a Scrum call or stand-up call?
Daily reviews.
Now tell me. What exactly will do Scrum call or stand-up call? Okay, so remember we are Snowflake developers coming forward. Now tell me what exactly we'll do. Anyone, what exactly the Scrum call? Okay, what exactly means?
We review the previous day work, and
Okay.
we also retrospectively see what can be done better. And yeah.
Okay, like the Scrum call is nothing but what the Scrum Master will be managed. Okay, Scrum Master will do will take the Scrum call. So what no, all the team members. So before this call, no, who are the team members? Before that, tell me who are the team members will be there in a project. We are Snowflake developers. In a similar fashion, Snowflake admin guys will be there. Snowflake architect. Okay, then what are the guys will be there? Admin developers. Then the testing team, the BA team, the team lead, the project manager. Okay, then the client. So these are the teams available will be there. Okay, now question is that what the Scrum Master, the Scrum call, all the team members will gather here. How long? 2 to 3 hours? This call will be there. How long? 2 to 3 hours? Scrum call. How long? Anyone? Working is how long the call will be there?
10 minutes.
Okay, so say 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, depends on the time. Okay, so 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, in the 10 to 20 minutes, now what happened? So we should give our updates to all the team members. Okay, so these are the basic things one more time. So every day what we'll do, 10 to 20 minutes, what happened, we should give our updates, what you have done yesterday and what we are going to do. Okay, so depends on our bandwidth. Okay, so it depends on our bandwidth. Okay, these are important. Okay, see, bandwidth. Okay, so what we should do, what bandwidth? So Scrum Master will assign user stories. Okay, got the point. The work will be allocated in the form of user story. Okay, so slowly understand. So see, Jira ticket will be there. So user stories will be assigned to our plate. Okay, so got the point. Okay, slowly. So when you want to become a Snowflake developer and a software developer, no, these things. Okay, Agile methodology. Okay, Agile methodology. Okay, when you have time to try to work on this Agile methodology, SDLC, the software development life cycle.
Hello.
Okay, so daily we'll have what type of call? One more time. Because this is like advanced thing. Okay, we'll have the Scrum call. Will be there. What exactly we'll do? Scrum call. All the team members will give updates to all the guys will be there. Okay, guys. Okay, in this one, what our work will be given. Okay, so based on the work we try to. So based on the ticket, we need to work on it. What the point? See one more time. So if you're not able to understand, like if you check in Google, like Scrum call, the SDLC process, the Agile methodology. Okay, then. Okay, so these are things. Okay, now we'll start our Snowflake. Okay. Tell me, how can we communicate with Snowflake? Tell me, anyone? How can I communicate? Anyone tell me?
SQL through SQL.
Okay, so simple thing. Okay, go back here one more time. Okay, suppose like here I go for one person. So Praveen is there, and here Kumar is there. Okay, tell me how these two persons will communicate. So through a language. Okay, see, Praveen is there, and here Kumar is there. What exactly we'll do? Okay, see, I want to communicate with the help of a language. So what's the language? Tell me what's the language? It can be Telugu. Okay, okay, Hindi, English. In a similar fashion. Okay, come back to the same thing here. So Praveen is there. Okay, then here one more system. Okay, assuming here database is there. Okay, see, database or data warehouse. Okay, tell me, I want to communicate with this database. How can I communicate with a language? Tell me, Telugu Hindi will work. Here, what we should go for? What we should go? Anyone tell me? Here also you should go for language. That is called as SQL. SQL, got the point. See, human beings can able to understand the Telugu, Hindi, English. In a similar fashion, here human beings, here the database or data warehouse. How can you communicate with this guy, with this database? You should go for what? We should go for SQL. SQL, got the point. One more time. Okay. Okay, see one more time. So see, human beings can able to communicate the language in a similar fashion. This is database. It can be what? It can be Oracle database. It can be SQL Server, or it can be Postgre, or it can be Snowflake. How can they communicate with this all these things with the help of a language? So SQL is nothing but what? Same structured query language. Okay, so what exactly means? It is used to communicate with the database or data warehouse. Simply see what happens. So see this image, simple image. So these two persons I want to communicate. So this is human being, this is database. How can I communicate with the help of a language called SQL? Simply it's acts as a what? As a bridge between user and database. Got the point? See, database or data warehouse. Okay, see, if you want to communicate the Snowflake, how can you communicate with the help of a language called SQL? Okay, SQL is but structured query language. Suppose like if we go for English, we'll have the alphabets. Same thing in SQL also will have the SQL commands or SQL statements. Okay, or SQL languages. Okay, languages. Okay, or basic building blocks of SQL. So we'll see the same thing like this week. No, we'll completely focus on SQL thing. Okay, so these are all things. Okay, SQL commands, SQL statement, SQL language. So basic building blocks of SQL. All related to what? So all related to. Now tell me, all are related to related to, okay, see, DDL, DML, TCL, and DRL, or DQL, and DCL. So DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. Anyone knows the abbreviation for DDL?
Data definition language.
So data definition language. So definition language. Okay, don't worry. I'll try to give the content of Scrum call, all these things. Don't worry. Okay, so we have 40 days to go. Don't worry. Okay, so DML, data manipulation language. What about TCL? Say
Transaction control.
transaction control language. Okay, what is DRL? It's a data
Data query language.
retrieval or query language. Okay, same thing. So DCL, it's a data control language. Okay, see, so definition, manipulations, transaction, retrieval, and control. See, if you see English now, we are having ABC. Same thing. If you want to communicate the SQL, we are having these are the commands, or the statements, or the language. See, basic building. So without this, it is not possible to learn SQL. So if you learn this, like almost 30% of SQL will be completed. Got the point? So DDL. So these are basic. So without this, we can't able to go further. So these are very, very important. Okay. Got the point? One more time. So these are very. So this we can't able to go further. Okay. Come back to the same thing. Now DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DCL. We'll see step by step. Okay. So see, so we'll see the same thing 2 to 3 days. This thing. Okay. These are very, very important. Okay. So 1 to 3 days we can able to cover. Okay. What is DDL? Data definition language. Okay, language. Okay, see, data definition language. Okay, what are the commands we're having? Anyone? Any idea? What are the commands we're having? Now tell me, anyone? Anyone? What are the commands?
Create,
Okay, create them.
alter,
Okay, then.
Drop, truncate.
Okay, so no truncate, like in see in Snow. So we need to discuss with Snowflake. So here create will be there, alter will be there, and a drop. So truncate is a DML in Snowflake. Okay, see, in Snowflake, create, alter, and a drop. So these are the DDL commands or DDL statements. Okay, we'll see step by step. So what exactly create will do? Anyone? Any idea? Create.
Tables.
Okay, what tables? Okay, see, it is used to create database objects. What are the database objects we are having? Tell me, anyone? We are having tables is one database objects. Then so views, sequences, then
Synonyms.
procedures. Synonyms Snowflake doesn't support. So okay, procedures, functions. Okay, function. There are so many things. Remember, create is nothing but what? It is used to create a new database object. Okay, see one more time. So see create. Okay, so create. So before that, tell me in the database or data warehouse, how the data will be stored? In the form of what? In the form of what? How the data?
tables,
Tables. Okay. So tables are again divided into columns
rows.
and rows. Okay, like 1 or 2 days will be difficult. Okay, so if you are able to understand, see. Okay, database or data warehouse, our data will be stored in the form of tables. Tables are again into columns and or rows. Okay, see simple example. If you go for Excel, so see. Okay, assume like this is one table. Okay, see one table. This is columns and this is rows. Okay, same thing now here. So this is so create is nothing but it is to create a new database object. So simple thing. So see create table. So first we'll see simple thing table name. So table name bracket open bracket close. So we'll see same thing detail column 1 data type 1. Okay, so same thing. So column 2 data type. Okay, we'll see same thing tomorrow also. Don't worry. Okay, so data type 2. Same thing column 3 data type 3. Okay, see column 1 column 2 column 3. Got the point? I see these are the same thing. Okay. Now see before that, tell me what exactly data type means. Data type means. Anyone? What exactly data type means?
Which
number data
type of data we store in that particular column?
Okay,
Like
so which
string.
type of? Okay, see. So which type of data we are Storing in where? In the particular table column. So see, before that we say go for what? Okay, see, we are mentioning column 1 data type, column 2 data type. So here data type is nothing but what? Which type of data? It can be number related, string, or we'll go for the same thing. Now see the same use case. Suppose like I go for employee ID or salary or phone. These are what? These are number related. We should go for number data type. Okay, same thing. Suppose like if I go for, okay, see, name, city, address. These are what? These are what? Alphabets. Okay, if I go for mail ID is a what? Suppose like I'm having abc123@abc.com, something like. Now tell me this is called, so the alphabets are there, numbers are there, special characters are. Now we should go for what? We can go for either varchar, then varchar2. We'll see the same thing. Don't worry, varchar2 text string. Okay, there are so many things are there. We can able to discuss. As of now, understand number thing. We should go for number data type. So alphabets we should go for varchar. Same thing in a similar fashion. Next we should go for what? So date of birth. So date of journey. We should go for what data type? Which data type? Anyone? Date data type. Okay, suppose like true or false. What exactly true or false? Which data type would say? Anyone? Any guess?
Boolean data.
Boolean data type. So see one more time. So we are mentioning what? Okay, see column 1 data type 1, column 2 data type. So see column 3 data type. So which type of data? It can be number related ring, string, or date, or boolean true or false. Okay, see the same use case. So see, okay, see we will go for this is boolean data. Simple example. Whenever go for simple use case. So see create table. Suppose like employee details underscore T. What exactly underscore T? Anyone? Any area? It's a naming convention. So naming convention. If I put underscore V, it's about
View.
it's a view. So what if I put MV? It's a
Materialized view.
materialized view. If I put SMV, it's a secure materialized view. Okay. So if I put F, it's a function. If I put UDF, it says like there's so many objects. No, like if you want to make identify, underscore it's a table database object. If I put B, it's a view database object. Underscore is a table. Bracket open, bracket close. Okay, see now what the columns we can able to expect in the employee details table. What are the columns? What are the columns? Anyone? What are the columns you can able to expect?
Employee ID. Name,
Okay, employee ID.
department,
So employee ID, it's a what data type? Just now discuss. It's a number data. We should go for number data type. Same thing. Employee name. It's a what data type? Alphabets, numbers. Okay, alphanumeric. We'll go alphabets. We'll go for varchar. I'm putting 30. What is 30 here? 30. It's a data length or data size. So employee ID, employee name. Suppose if I go for salary. Salary is what data type? Salary is what?
Number.
Float
Actually, number we can go for. Okay, number or float anything. Okay. Now we'll see what exactly number. In a similar fashion, date of birth. Date of birth is what? It's a date data type. Tell me, is it good looking? So see, so this is not good looking. Always we should follow the coding standards or coding alignment. Okay, see the same use case. So you can able to put like this. Okay, see, we should follow the same thing. Now we should here also we should follow the same. Okay, so this is called as coding standards or coding alignment. And remember, whenever writing, write in Notepad++, see language. S is there, SQL, so that keywords will get highlighted. See this one more time. So this is Notepad++ tool. Now see, now nothing is good looking. Now go back here, go to language, S and SQL. So see keywords. If I put extra bracket, now we can able to easily identify. So see, now got the pointer. See, we can getting the points. Always write in Notepad++ and we can able to get. So bracket open, bracket. Okay, so bracket open. So this is okay. So we can able to make. Okay. Now tell me, if I write here, the table get automatically created. Anyone? Yes, tell me, if I write here, the table get automatically created.
No.
No. Now what exactly we should do?
Execute.
Execute. Where we should execute?
Snowflake or SQL Demo.
Now we should have one UI. Okay, see what happens. See, remember, so this is Notepad++ is for what? So Notepad++ is for only writing purpose only. So see important. So see Notepad++, it's a only for writing the queries. Our ultimate goal is that what this table need to be created in one database. Now here what? Here we should go for Snowflake. Now just now we discussed, no, Snowflake is a what? It's a SaaS model. SaaS model is nothing but what? Tell me, do we need to install any software for Snowflake? Yes or no? Anyone in it? No, because no, it's a SaaS model, software as a service. Okay, if I go for see, this is Oracle database. So this is not SaaS model. That's why we are trying to install this thing. But what happens? Snowflake is a SaaS. SaaS is nothing but software as a service. No need to install any software or any hardware. Now what happened? We need to create. So we need to create one account and we need to work. Got the point. See one more time. So see here one more time. So see, this is Oracle database. This is not a SaaS model. That's why we should install this software on the hardware. But what happened here? Snowflake is a SaaS model. No need to create anything. No need to install any software or any. Just we should create account and we need to work. Now go back here. See, go back here. Control C. Search for Snowflake login. Okay, see Snowflake login. Now click on the same thing. Okay, see start for free. So we should see this is for 30 days or 400. So 400 credits will be given. So 1 month it will be valid. Now give your basic details. So Praveen, I'm giving Praveen Kumar. So we should have the mail ID. Copy the mail ID. So ABC. So scroll down. Okay, tell me what is our role after completion of this course we should apply for?
Snowflake developer.
So Snowflake developer or
Snowflake
Snowflake data engineer. Okay, see we can go for see you're getting so developer or data. You can choose anything for understanding purpose, developer or data engineer. So continue. Okay. Now before, so we should go for enterprise edition. Remember in real time we'll have the same thing. Now I said earlier Snowflake supports multi clouds. Okay, what the clouds supports? Tell me anyone. What the clouds supports?
AWS,
Okay, see Snowflake supports. Okay, see AWS, then
Azure,
Azure and
Azure.
GCP and GCP. Okay, see Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and GCP. Okay, so you can go for anything. Okay, I'm selecting for AWS. Okay, AWS for one it will be. So Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and GCP. Now same thing. Now see here the data centers will be. Okay, now question is that what if you put in your resume, saying like, okay, I am working as a Snowflake developer. Okay, so Snowflake developer, and he's asked like which client or which country project. Tell me if you say no, what will say? Which country you can say? You can go for a US client or UK client or European or tell me or anything Singapore. Okay, now go for now what happened? So my company client is what? Singapore. I'm selecting Asia Pacific. Okay, click on this value. So get started. We can go for anything. Okay, you can able to skip all these things. Okay, skip all these things. Okay, so skip. So see, we'll get the confirmation. So tell me before that, so we are installing any software or no? So just we are trying to create account and we are trying to work on this is SaaS model. So see the same thing, you get the confirmation mail. Okay, see, activate. So just now we're trying to create one Snowflake account. So click to activate. So you can able to give any name. So before that, tell me in Snowflake, in real-time projects, we try to create our own account in real-time projects. Who will create to us? Tell me in real-time project.
Snowflake admin will create.
Okay, Snowflake admin. So remember, so these are the basic things you should understand. So we are Snowflake developer. We'll work on the development activities. So we're having Snowflake admin mod. They'll try to, they try to give user ID and the password, the account creation. This all the things will be done by the Snowflake admin guy will try to give. So see, this is a SaaS model. Okay, SaaS, no need to install. So remember, in real time also, will work the same use case on my phone. So you'll work in the same thing. Okay. So it will be like this. Okay, now what happened? So click for plus symbol. See, plus symbol will be there. Okay. So SQL version. So first you should be comfortable with this UI. Okay, see, by default, these are the two database. Now what happened? So see, copy the same value. Now try to create. Copy the same thing. Now try to create. Now tell me anybody it work? Huh? So see, it won't work. Now what exactly it's saying? See, cannot perform create table. This session doesn't have it. What exactly means? Tell me.
Current
You need to
database.
create the database.
Tell me what exactly means. Okay, see.
Used to create database.
Okay, remember. So see, our data will be stored in the database. So see, remember, first we should have one Snowflake account. Then we should have database. Then we should have schema. Then we should have tables will be there. So remember, if you want to create any database object like tables, so views, compulsory what we should have database should be there. One more thing, suppose like, so just now I said no, we are having the Scrum call today. So Scrum call, no, the Scrum Master, what exactly say no, is assigning 1 0 tickets, 0 user story assign. He's asking to create one table. Now remember one thing. So he's asking like one Sita story has been assigned to your name, saying like create one table. Now tell me, so what are the environments we're having in projects, environments or instances? Anyone? So like 1 or 2 days, it will be simple. Like we'll get some clarity. What environments are instances? Anyone? Database environment.
QA, dev, prod.
Okay. So first level development, then testing, then UAT, then SIT. So these are the basic things. Okay, so don't worry. Sandbox and pre-prod and prod instance. Okay, see one more time. So see, okay, so develop these segments a development environment. So testing UAT is nothing but what? User acceptance testing. Okay, see testing. So SIT is nothing but what? System integration testing. Remember, if you're not able to understand, like, okay, so once complete class, now search for what is UAT, what is SIT, what is environment. Little bit, okay, you'll get some clarity. Okay, so when coming class, now you'll get to know what exactly. So development instance, testing instance, UAT instance, SIT instance, are the sandbox, are the pre-production and the production. Okay, so production instance. Okay, so development environment, testing, UAT. Now suppose like he's like, okay, so Scrum Master assigned one story, we'll directly work in the production database. Now anyone tell me, those are coming from IT background? No. Okay, see, whenever you got any work, no, we don't work on all these things. First you should work in the development database. One more time. So see, in real time now, we are having the multiple instances will be there. So we don't work in the all the instance. So first you should work in the development instance. So see, dev environment we should work. Okay, see, same thing now. See, so first we should create one. See, cannot perform create table. So first we should create one database. So create a database. Now suppose like, so Praveen development DB. Okay, see one more time. So okay, see, database has been created. Same thing. So create one schema. So Praveen dev. I'll explain one more time. Don't worry. Development schema. Okay, see, database has been created. Schema has been. So refresh the same thing. Our one more thing. So one more time. So I have created one database, one schema. Now see, I can able to use. So put the cursor here. Try to execute this thing, or you can go for Control plus Enter is the shortcut. So Control plus Enter. So see, Control plus Enter. So database has been created, schema has been created, one table. Now see, so see, refresh the same thing. Our database, our schema, and the tables. So one more time, if you're not able to understand, okay, see, go for one more. See, this is plus symbol. We can able to open SQL worksheet, and I am putting day one. Now I'm putting here. See, now tell me if I type. So what is the shortcut key to execute any statement?
Control plus Enter.
Control plus enter. Now tell me if I try to exit worker, it's saying cannot perform create table. This session doesn't have a database. If you want to store database object, compulsory we should have one database should be there. Tell me in real time, we should work in the development instance. So development instance, got the pointer. So these are the basic points you should have. So development instance. Okay, so you go back here. So create one database. So create database, something like dev DB. It's a development database. Same thing, create one schema. So development schema should be there. Okay. So now tell me control enter. Okay, we can able to get. So click the same thing. Our database name, our schema name, one table has been created here. Okay, see one more time. Now I want to see my database name. Select current database. Okay, see. So it will give my current database name. Same thing, current schema. Okay. So see schema. Okay, so database name, schema name. In this database, in this schema, I want to see list of, we will go for show table. These are the basic things. One more time. Okay, see, I'll try to write. I want to see my database name. How can I see? You should go for select current database. Same thing, I want to see my schema. You should go for current schema. Okay. Now in a similar fashion, okay, in this database, in this schema, I want to see list of, you go for what? We should go for show tables. We can able to make it. Okay, got the point up. So these are simple only, somewhat little bit. Okay, so show tables. Okay, got a point. Show tables. Clear so far? Getting a little bit confusing. Okay, see, first I have created one. So remember before that. So one Snowflake account. It's a SaaS model. One, which database? Tell me production database. So we should work for development database, development schema, then create one table. How can I create? You should go for by using create. That is DDL statement. Okay, got the point. Now tell me, how can I see list of tables? Tell me list of tables. By using which command? By using show tables. Show tables. Okay, see, show tables. Okay, see. So refresh the same thing. We can go for that. So list of table. Okay. Now what happened? I want to see list of columns. So select or describe table name. Okay, so you got the pointer. So table name. So one or two times for it will be simple only. So describe table name. So describe table name. Now what happens? See, it is giving the list of columns. Okay. So employee ID, employee name, salary. Now what are these things? Tell me. Employee name. What are these things? Now what are these things? Employee name. These are called as what? These are
List of the column.
Column names. So what about number, varchar? These are called, these are data type. Okay. What about 38, 30, 30? This is called as what? These are what are these things?
Size.
Data size or column length. Okay, or column. Okay, see employee ID. So see one more time. So this is the table name. Employee ID, employee name, salary. These are the column names. And the number, varchar, date. These are the data type. Got the pointer. So getting the point. So these are the things you should understand. Okay, see. So first we have created one database, one schema, and table has been created. In this database, in this schema, I want to see list of table. Go for show tables. So already one table is there. This table, I want to see list of columns. Suppose like somebody created, I want to see list of columns. So describe table, the table name. Okay. Suppose like I want to see the data. Anybody tell me? I want to retrieve the data or I want to query the data. How can I query? Which command?
Select star from.
Okay, see, select star from, you can able to get. Okay, see the same thing. Okay, see. Now what happened? So far discuss DDL, that is data definition language. What are the commands we're having? We discussed so far create only. Now what happened? I want to see the data. or I want to retrieve the data. How can retrieve we are having? That is DRL or DQL. What is called as? It's a data retrieval
Retrieval.
or query language. Got the pointer? So retrieval or query language. What is the command? Command name or language? Which language should go for? For DRL DQL, it's a select statement. Select statement. So select data retrieval or data query. That is select statement. Select the star from table name. So see the same thing. So see, select star from our table name. So table. So it's a list of records in the particular table. Okay, see one more time. So we have created one database, one schema, and the table has been created. If you want to see list of columns, you should go for describe table name. If I want to see the list of records, you should go for select star from the same thing. Okay, now see. Okay, suppose like today at again Scrum call is there. All the team members has been gathered. Okay, now what happened? So see on your name, one Jira ticket has been assigned. Jira ticket saying like add one more column to the employee table. So see what happened. So today we have the Scrum call. In the Scrum call now, a ticket has been assigned to your name saying like I want to add a extra column. How can extra column? What the concept used? Extra column?
Insert.
No, extra column. Insert for this is DML, no? Extra column. I want to add extra column.
Alter.
Alter
Alter
see?
command.
So see DDL we are discussing so far. That is okay. So for like before now we'll go for one use case. 1 second. Suppose like I'll try to give one use case so that you get some clarity. I'm giving one use case so that you get some clarity. Now see, I have opened the same thing. Now click on add member. Now see what happened when I give these details. So I'm giving basic details. So having year of birth, something like 2000. Aadhaar card, port ID. Now tell me. So see the same use case. Now, if I click on add, what will happen? Tell me generally. Anyone, any idea? If I click on add, what will happen?
Shows error.
No, forget about all these things. What will happen?
It can add and first it can validate, then it can.
Suppose like validation successful. And then what will happen? Background.
Then it can be processed or it can be stored the data into the base.
Where it will store?
A new record is added.
Where it will added? In the database. In the form of what?
Table.
The form of table. Like you're not table.
Row.
Like
okay. No.
It is a
See what
messy
happened.
data, like metadata.
Okay, so now suppose like understand the same thing. Okay, see 1 second. 1 second. Okay, now what happens? Suppose like I given click on add, what happens? So data will be stored in database. So before that, assume like this is Snowflake that is using. So try to create one Snowflake account. Then try to create one development database, one development schemas create. Okay. Now tell me, so our data will be stored in the form of what? Our data will be stored in the form of?
In the form of table.
In the form of tables. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. In the form of tables. Okay, see what happened? Suppose like I have created one database. So syntax is that word. Okay, see. So create database. Okay, so Covin, assume like Covin development database and create schema. So create schema. So Covin, yes. So database has been created, schema has been created. Now tell me how the data will be stored. This data, entered data also in the form of table. And now tell me by which command we can able to create a table. What's the command?
DDL command.
DDL, that is create. Okay, create is a DDL command. So create a table name. Tell me for this use case, which table name can I give for this use case?
Vaccination,
Okay, which vaccination?
like COVID.
COVID. Okay, see COVID. So see COVID. We can say it's a registration table. What is underscore? It's a table. So bracket open, bracket close. Okay, now tell me. So this is name is a column. Okay, name of the column. What's the data for name?
Varchar.
Varchar. Okay, like this, visualize the data. That is a data size. Same thing. Next column is that word gender. Gender is what data type? It's also varchar.
Varchar.
Okay, see, suppose I'm putting 10. Same thing. Now next step is that what? Okay, see, year of birth. Year of birth is what data type?
Number.
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 Integer.
Okay, see, it's a number. Okay, see, number. Okay, see, year of birth. So year of birth. Okay, number. Suppose like I'm saying the same thing. Suppose like I changed from 20 to 2012. Okay, I make it to so March 15. Okay, tell me 15/03/2020. It's a what data type? Date of birth.
Date type.
Date. Okay, so date. So date of birth. So it's a date data type. So see, year of birth is a number. Date of birth is a date. So what about photo ID proof? Photo ID proof.
Integer.
No, it's a photo ID proof. It's a alphabets. No, alphabets.
Oh.
Photo. It's a alphabets. No, photo ID proof. It's a varchar. Varchar of that. Okay, we'll see the difference. What is varchar? Varchar to text later point of time. So okay, same thing. Now suppose like I selected Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is what data type? It's a
Number.
number. So photo value. We'll see the same thing. It's a number data type. So same. So name. Now tell me is good looking. What I said. What we should follow when you want to write any code. The coding. What we should follow. Not tell me is it it's a coding alignment. So coding alignment are the okay, see, okay, coding standards we should follow. Okay, see, these are the things. Okay, so always write in Notepad++ and so make this the alignment proper. So it will take some time, but what happens? So MNCs companies will accept like this. Okay, the same thing. So go back here. So this is coding standards we should follow. So see one more time. So see Snowflake account, it's a SaaS. Okay, see like this you should visualize. Okay, that's why we are not installing any software. Just to create account. So development database, development schema. Now tell me overall can come to Jira ticket. So Jira ticket. Before that daily we'll have the Scrum call. Like this we should understand. So Scrum call will be there. So work will be assigned with the help of Jira ticket, Snowflake account, development database, development schema. So see development database, development schema. So see table has been created. So copy the same thing. Now go back to your Snowflake account. Okay, see, go back here. Okay, see, open, or else we can go for one more session. Okay, see, sessions like this we can able. Okay, see, like this said day one. Okay, or COVID, we can able to make it COVID. Okay. Now see, first we can exit the table. It will work. Table. It will work. The table. No, it won't work. See, it's saying if you want to create any database object, compulsory what? We should have one database.
Create a database. Yeah.
Database
creation.
Database, control enter. Okay, now create the table. Now tell me in this database, in this schema, I want to see list of tables. How can I see list of tables? List of tables.
Describe.
No, show tables. Okay, so to you list of tables, but I want to see list of columns. Then we should go for describe table name. So these are important. Okay, see, I want to see list of tables, show tables. I want to see list of columns, go for describe table name. I want to see the data. How to see the data? Data.
Select.
Select statement. That is select star from table name. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. You see the same thing? No, same thing. Like we'll see one more use case so that we'll get some clarity. How to log into Snowflake? Snowflake login. So see, click on this value. So create start for free. Tell me, suppose like if I give this values, so Praveen, Kumar, abc@.com. Okay, suppose like maybe a role. I'm selecting something value. Now tell me if I click on this continue, what will happen background? Background, what will happen? What will happen background?
Data will be created in the database.
Okay, see, data will be stored inside a database table. Okay, see, table should be there. In the table, data will be stored. Now what happens? Suppose like I'm trying to create one table. Okay, see, so create table. Tell me for this use case, remember, we should give one proper name. Can I go for Pravina? No. What the table name can I give for this use case? Name of the table?
SF table.
SF Snowflake. Snowflake, we can say Snowflake registration table. So bracket open, bracket close. You can put full name for understanding purpose. Snowflake registration table. Tell me this is what data type? Name is what data type?
Alpha.
Okay, see,
Worker.
first name is a first name is a varchar. Varchar of 30. That is the data set. Same thing. Next column is that. What's next column? It's a last name. Last name is what data? Last name is what?
Worker.
Suppose like I'm putting so first name. Okay, see, first name. Okay, so first name. Okay, next last name. We'll see what exactly will happen. It's also varchar of 30. Same thing. Next concept is that what? Company email. I'm putting email. It's also all for email. You should go for varchar. Same thing. Next is that what? Company name. So name is also varchar. All are varchar. Then what happens? So see country. Country is also varchar. Okay. Now see the same thing varchar. Okay. Now this is fine. Tell me one more comma is required at last.
Not required.
Not required.
No, not required.
It will see, no, it will throw error. Okay, so copy the same thing. Okay, now what happened? We should have one Snowflake account. So see, go back here. So see, like this only we should understand, visualize. Okay, see, not a little work. Anyone?
No, you need to create first database.
The database already there. Covin DB. Okay, now tell me how to see my database, my schema. Tell me how to see my database and my schema.
Select schema.
Select.
Select current database.
Schema.
Okay,
Select
so remember everything is current database, current user, current warehouse, all the things current date. See, current, everything is current. Okay, current database, current schema. Current scheme. Okay, so these are the basic things we should have. Okay, see, database schema. Okay. Okay, see, this is fine. Now what happened? Now see the same thing. Now tell me, it will see database is all there. Database is already there. Schema is already there. Now tell me it will work. It will saying. Now what is the issue?
Syntax error.
Okay, what is the syntax error?
Comma, last comma we
Not-
need to take.
No, not comma. See, it's saying like unexpected name. Issue.
Underscore first and in between we need to add something or we need to remove name.
Okay, see what happens. So see.
Yeah.
Okay, now see what happened. Now see the same thing. Now see it's saying, okay, see when you see highlighted here, see, if I scroll down, syntax error at line number 154, unexpected. Okay, see the same thing. Now see, okay, spaces are not accepted. Okay, see, we can able to remove the spaces, or what happened, we should mention double quotes. Okay, see, I can able to put double. Now see, it will come to the next line. Put double quotes. But what happens? See, double quotes. Okay, now see, it is saying expect see error at this particular point of time. Okay, remove this file. Now see, it is working fine. Now how to see this data? By saying select statement. Select the star from our table. Okay, see the same thing. Now what happened? Suppose like I want to see this column. Okay, now what happened? It work? It won't work. Okay, suppose like I want to see this name. See, suppose like I want to see the country name. You getting the difference? I'll explain what exactly. It is working fine. But when I want to get this name now, what happens? So copy the same value and put here. See, it is working, it is not working. So what happened? Every time you should use double quotes, double quotes. Okay, see. So that's why what? Okay, so this is not a recommended one. How can I get the same thing? You see. So instead of putting brackets, I'm putting different name. Okay, instead of putting brackets, double quotes. Now see, it will throw error. What happened now? Make sure like we can able to use underscore, underscore. So this is a practice. Okay. So if you want to get a spaces now, we should make like this. Clear so far? Yes or no? So see, make sure like see, we can able to create the spaces, but what happened? Every time we should use double quotes, double quotes. Okay, this like it's a hectic process, right? So always make yourself underscore. See, first name, last name, email. These are the column names. So this is the data type, data size. So table name, column names, data type, and data size. Tell me in this database, in this schema, I want to see list of tables. How can I see list of tables? Go for show tables, show tables, show tables. Okay, see, show tables. Now this table, I want to see list of columns. How can I see list of columns? How can I see list of columns?
Show table, describe table,
So-
table name.
No, show tables. Okay, see, you go for. So remember, you can able to go for show columns also. See, show tables, it will give list of table. Show columns, it will give like this. But what happened? I want to see only see what happened. See, so column name and table name is not even. Okay, table name is here. But what happened? I want to see only particular table. Instead of going for show columns, we can go for what? So describe table, table name. So what's the table you want? We can go for like the same thing. Okay, so show tables will give list of tables, list of columns, but I want to see only particular table. Then describe table, table name, table name. Got a point? So see the same thing. Now I want to see the data. How to see the data? By saying select
star.
select the star. So this is data retrieval language. Okay, see, as no records are there. Got the point? See, so far we discussed only one create statement. Okay, we have so one more time we'll close this topic for today. So see. Okay, so first we created, we understand Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for data storage, data processing, and we can say simply it's an analytical solution. It's a SaaS model. Okay, and it's a data migration project. What exactly we are trying to do? We are trying to migrate the tables, so views, procedures, functions from where? Functions from one database to where? Where? One database to Snowflake. Why? Because of cost cutting, then the performance, the huge volumes, the scalable, because of all reasons, they come like any one of the reason. If you know, so they'll have mainly cost cutting is the main reason. Okay, so they want to migrate the tables, so views, procedures, functions into Snowflake. Got the point? So this is fine. Now question is that what? How can I communicate with the Snowflake? Tell me how to communicate the Snowflake with the help of what? With the help of SQL. Again, SQL is divided into DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DSL. As of now, what we discuss only DL, that is create statement. So create, so show tables, then show columns, then describe. Okay, these are the things. Describe table. So table name. Same thing. How to see databasing? Select a star from table name. So got the point. Like this way, we can able to make it and show tables, show columns. So these are the basic things. Okay, as a part of Snowflake developer, and remember our role will be Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. Okay, in a similar fashion, Snowflake admin will be there, architect guy will be there, and then that's it. So B testing team will be there. So BA guys, the team lead, the project manager, all things. Daily what type of call will be there? What type of call? What type of call?
Scrum
call. The Scrum call. The Scrum call is nothing but what? This is status updates. Okay, we should give the status updates, and the work will be assigned here. Our work. Okay, how the work will be assigned with the help of Jira, ticketing tool. So ticketing tool. Our tickets will be assigned. We should work on the same thing. And where we should work in the development database. So remember, this is very important. We should, if any work comes to us, we should work in the development database, development schema. Then we should go for all the testing will be done. Okay, so visualize the same thing. So see, so Scrum call will be there. Work will be assigned. So see the same thing. Well, let me show you one image. It's something like that. I'll 1 second. Okay, I'll forward the image. Okay, see the same 1 second. So see, there is Scrum Master, the Scrum call. All the team members will be gathered. The developer, testers be here, and the work will be assigned with the help of. So like this, the tickets, okay, so Jira, the company name, the project name will be there. So like this will be there. Okay, we'll see step by step. Okay, got the point. So like understand the same thing. See, master, Scrum call, all the team members, the developer guys, tester guys, all will be there, and we are trying to work on it. Here's the for endorsements now. So first, no, your task is there tomorrow. Try to create one Snowflake account. So create some dummy tables, like at least 5, 10. So remember, so before that, first you should be comfortable with this UI. Okay, see, I want to create one more table. I can go for one more session. So this is one more session we can able to put. So create the databases, schemas, all the things. So see, create the development database. So UAT pro database, like this, we can able to make it there. So clear so far?
Yeah. Praveen, one more question. Every time